Water relations in plants. Water relations in plants. Water play major roles in plant life cycle. From the seed germination to seed producing from the plants. Every activity done by plants, every activity done by water by the plants. For the development of seed, cytokinesis divisions, for the photosynthesis, for the respiration, for the metabolic activities, every living organism need water for their activities. At the same way, plants also need water for their life cycle, activities. So water is the play major role in plant life cycle. Now, absorption of water done by three ways. One is diffusion. Second one is imbibition. Third one is osmosis. Water absorbed by plants by three ways. They are diffusion, imbibition, osmosis. A diffusion means high concentration of liquids, high concentration of ions, high concentration of gases moves to low concentration without any energy, called diffusion. Here it is the diffusion explained with one experiment. We take one clean water beaker, it filled with clean water, one dye or color molecule added to the water. Later will happen after few minutes, the water completely turn into colored. Which color or which dye is added to the water, that color is appeared in the water after few minutes. See, this experiment explained with diffusion. Low concentration of water, here it is present in the beaker. High concentration of liquids. Low concentration of liquids act as water. High concentration of liquids, dye. Dye is high concentration. The dye molecules are in high concentration. They are easily spread to the total beaker. Finally, few minutes, we can observe the total beaker containing colored water. How to turn into colored water means by the mechanism of diffusion. And next experiment also, we can open the perfume bottle. The perfume bottle filled with gas, perfume gas. When we'll open the perfume cap, automatically the perfume gas is easily spread to the total area without any energy. This mechanism is called diffusion. High concentration of liquids, high concentration of gases, high concentration of ions moves to low concentration without using of any energy. Without any energy. The movement of liquids, the movement of gases, the movement of ions up to equilibrium position. Equilibrium means the different solutions, different gases, different ions are in equilibrium. What are the different high and low concentration? High and low concentrations are turned into equilibrium position. At that time, they are stopped. The diffusion will be stopped. And the next experiment is imbibition. Imbibition is one type of plant absorbing technology by water absorbing technology by plants. We take dry seeds in a beaker or in a conical flask or in a test tube. Before the pouring water to the test tube, we can measure the seed value, seed length. The seeds are small in size. After pouring of water, the seeds are absorbed water. The seeds are absorbed water and they are enlarged in the size. How to enlarge the size of seeds? By the imbibition techniques only, by the imbibition mechanism. Imbibition means water absorbing capacity by plant cells, called imbibition. Water absorbing capacity by plant cells called imbibition. So here it is imbibition experiment with this experiment. We take dry seeds in a test tube, poured water to the seeds. Before the pouring of water, a seed measure length size will be observed. Then after pouring of water, after 1 hour or 2 hours, the seeds are enlarged in the size. How to enlarge it? By the imbibition mechanism. What is imbibition? Plant cells are absorbing water capacity called imbibition. The seeds also part of plant. So they are easily absorbed water by the imbibition mechanism. It is the first experiment for the explanation of imbibition. And second explanation also here. During the rainy season, wooden doors, wooden windows are absorbed moisture. They are enlarged in the size. They cannot move to front to back to front in our homes. But in the summer season, they cannot absorb moisture from the environment. They are easily moved to front to back to front in the summer season, the wooden doors. We can easily move the wooden doors to front or back in the summer season. But in the rainy season, we cannot move. We can apply the pressure on the doors or on the windows for the movement, called imbibition. The wooden doors means, wooden windows means they are made by the wooden pots, plant pots. So automatically they are absorbed water or moisture. They are enlarged in the size. So during the rainy season, they are enlarged in the size. During the summer season, they are normal in position. So it is one type of explanation for the imbibition. And second one is osmosis. Osmosis is quite opposite to the diffusion. Osmosis means low concentration of liquids except water. Low concentration of liquids except water moves to high concentration of liquids through the semi-permeable membrane with using of ATP energy. With utilizing of ATP energy. Once again, the definition: low concentration of liquids except water moves to high concentration of liquids except water through the semi-permeable membrane by utilizing of ATP energy, called osmosis. Here it is another explanation also here. High concentration of water molecules except liquids. High concentration of water molecules except liquids moves to low concentration of water molecules except liquids through the semi-permeable membrane by using of ATP energy, called osmosis. See, here it is osmosis explained with one experiment, that is thistle funnel experiment. We take one narrow shape thistle funnel. It has two faces. One is broad face or broad mouth, and second one is narrow mouth. Broad mouth covered with plasma membrane. And in this thistle funnel, we take high concentration of sugar solution. It kept in the beaker and poured water in the beaker. Here it is in the thistle funnel, high concentration of sugar solutions are here. In the beaker, normal water is present. By the osmosis techniques, by the osmosis mechanism, beaker contains low concentration of liquids moves to high concentration of liquids. Where is high concentration? In the thistle funnel. So automatically the low concentration of liquids from the beaker to thistle funnel. Finally, after a few minutes, we can observe in the thistle funnel reading will be increased. The reading will be increased or uptake of solution in the thistle funnel by the osmosis mechanism. That is, we explain. In thistle funnel, sugar solution, sugar containing liquids, sugar containing in the water. So we take 100% of value from this thistle funnel. From that 100%, 90% of sugar and 10% of water is present in the thistle funnel. 90% of sugar, 10% of water. Then outside of the thistle funnel in the beaker, 90% of water, 10% of sugar. 10% of sugar. Here it is, where is 10% of sugar? in the beaker. Where is 90% of sugar in the thistle funnel? What is the explanation? Low concentration of liquids. Where is low concentration in the beaker? 10% of sugar solutions present in the beaker. They are enter into the high concentration of liquids. Where is high concentration in the thistle funnel? Sugar solution is high concentration. So the low concentration of sugar solutions moves to high concentration of sugar solution through the semi-permeable membrane by using of ATP energy. By this movement in the thistle funnel, the sugar levels are increased. The sugar levels are increased. And another explanation also here it is. It is in the beaker, 90% of water, 10% of sugar. In the thistle funnel, 90% of sucrose or sugar, 10% of water. Where is high concentration of water molecules in the beaker? In the beaker, how much here it is from the 100 volume? 90% of water molecule present in the beaker and 10% of water molecule present in the thistle funnel. By this mechanism, by this explanation, high concentration of water molecules. Where is high concentration in the beaker? Up to 90% of water molecules present in the beaker. The high concentration of water molecules moves to low concentration. Where is low concentration in the thistle funnel? In the thistle funnel, low concentration of water molecules are present. By this movement, water levels or sugar solution levels are increased in the thistle funnel. During this movement, the semi-permeable membrane play major role, and the movement of molecules liquids utilizing of ATP energy for this movement of osmosis. So it is osmosis mechanism in the plants. By these three ways, plants absorbed water. What are the three ways? One is diffusion, second one is imbibition, third one is osmosis.